Study. Study.
No.
Study.
No.
I think I like, actually lahat eh. Pero pinaka naalala ko is yung pagising namin sa morning. Kasi yun yung pinaka parang happy time niya. So when we wake up, we take siguro 10 to 30 minutes na nasa kama lang kami, playing around and talking to each other. Yun nandun yung kwentuhan sa moment na yun na kakagising.
Kasi Elise, diba you said you're gonna be very busy soon, tas may business ka pa and everything. Paano mo na ma-manage yung parenthood of a three?
What did Feliz do? Feliz? Where did you hide the chocolate? Where? Where? And I'm looking for it for so long time.
Why?
I'm looking for it. Where's the chocolate? Where's the chocolate?
She remembers it.
And then she said, it's in the stroller. How come? It's in the stroller down there. Oh, where are you right now?
Sabi niya?
Oh, where are you right now? We're in? Where are we? We're in?
Japan.
Where at?
Japan.
And what are you eating? Show them.
Chocolate.
And it's really good. It's only 300 yen. Huh? What's mommy doing? What's mommy doing? Say hi to your viewers. And then, tell them what you're doing.
I'm eating chocolate.
And what? And mommy is working.
Walking.
Where's mommy at? Huh? Hanap ako ng hanap. Tapos tanong siya ng tanong. Oh, okay now.
How did you register?
Say, I'm not roaming.
Libre kasi dito eh.
Ah, really? Okay. Say something.
Watch na, guys.
Okay. Okay, and then we're going out to mommy. And there is, say hi to our viewers. Hi, we're in
Japan, what you doing?
Japan.
Are you a good girl?
Yes, with Joe. I want. Wow, that's so yummy. It's so good. And then later, what are we going to do? Vlog. We're in
Japan.
Japan.
Give me a bushing
Making? We're not making.
Japanese.
No.
Can I
What
have
are we
one?
doing?
I'll give your mom.
But
Can I
we're.
have?
Are we making Japanese pancake? Since we are already in Japan?
Yeah, we're Gaya's house.
Lala's house, not in Japan.
Bushing, can I have one?
So,
I'll give it to your mom. Yeah.
only
The
one?
whole thing, the whole thing.
The whole thing. Give it to mommy.
I'll give it back to you.
Yeah, give mommy naman.
I'll give it back to you. The whole thing, the whole thing.
And
The whole
there's Maymay.
Hi.
I'll give you the whole thing. No,
Ah,
not
isa lang ang
one.
binibigay.
For mommy?
Give everything to mommy
Everything.
first.
Oh no.
There.
The
Only
whole
two?
thing. The whole thing.
How about me?
The whole
Can
thing.
I have one?
I'll give it back.
Ayaw. And then we're going out. Let's go out. Let's see. Look, we're now in Ginza. I don't know if it's Ginza.
Who's na?
Tapos na?
Who's na?
Close na. But I want to go down.
Man, true.
You too? Okay, wear your shoes. Because we're going to vlog. You talk to them. We're here in Japan. Tell them.
Yummy.
Yummy. Somebody's
Yum, guys.
saying
High five.
high five.
I make Japanese pancake to Yaya's house.
Yes, not in Japan.
No.
But it's a Japanese pancake in Lala's house.
Yes.
Yes. But here, what are we going to do? We'll go to Sanrio.
Yes.
Wanna
Can
see?
you come with me, guys?
Okay.
Eating chocolate bar.
Is it good? Huh? Okay, wear your shoes now. We're going out, Mommy. Okay? Okay, hold on. We're going to... Where? Put on your shoes. The other one. Are you going to finish the chocolate? Everything? No. That's why I'm looking for it, Feliz. And you didn't tell me.
Let me go.
Oh, thank you.
Share together.
Huh?
Share. Jimmy.
Si Meme.
Yeah.
This is so tight. Your shoes is already small.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay.
I cannot wear it.
It's okay. For now. So small na.
Yes, so small.
I know we'll buy another
My
one.
socks is a big bag.
Oh, your sock is so big pa.
And my feet so big.
I know your feet is so big.
Tired.
Okay, now we're going out. See Mommy. Do behind the scenes. Kuya, can we go out? Open the door. Open. Kuya is a Japanese. We'll go out.
Lala, it's too much na, oh. Magdudumi na siya.
Okay, later naman.
Later. Magdudumi ka. Look at me, oh.
Oh,
Oh, yung wife. Come on.
oh, close baka tumapon. Let's close it. There, okay.
Ako dit yang.
Hold it lang daw. Oh, okay. Wait for Kuya. Si Meme.
Head.
Si Meme. Okay.
Ang baby.
Okay. Nakawala kami sa ano. Hi, say hi. Asa na ba? Naka-live ako. Instagram.
Naka-live si Mommy.
Ah, diba?
Let's shoot the...
Ito po yung kamukha ko. Ay. Diba? Magkamukha kami. Ano ba to? Ginza? Yes. Ginza what?
Hide. Shoot na natin
Ginza what? Hello po! Kumusta po? Ay, hello po! Saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Sa Batangas po.
Batangas. Oh, see? Feliz. Picture. We're in Ginza.
No, in Japan.
Ay, we're in Japan. Ay, you're so cute. And then, Feliz is so cute. Cuter than Mommy. Cuter than Mommy. Ay, naiwan ko yung bag ko doon. Tani. What? Not Ginza, Japan daw.
Oh, we're in Japan.
Look, there's something in your face, baby.
The milk. It's okay. Okay lang, bata na.
We're in Ginza.
You look like that. Look, kasi nag-hype pa.
We're in Japan.
But we're not making Japanese pancake, right?
Lala's house.
Lala's house. Oh, wait lang. Oh, show them.
Please, take a
Welcome.
photo. Here, stand
Hey,
here.
bilis.
The box, please.
Bilis. Ay, anak ko.
There. Emmy.
Oh, take a picture daw. Doon ka. Mimi's getting my... Okay, smile. Oh, what will you tell everybody?
Please, why that face?
Cute. He's so cute.
Can you hold this? We're gonna do an outfit of the day.
Okay. Ay, kinis
Please, come
pa.
on. One lang. Meme!
Hindi tayo kasi eh.
Ha?
Ay, may...
What? Why? I have 37. This is a lot for me.
Outfit, pose. 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 What's I thought you're posing. Borrow lang, Lala. Meron lang sa. Come on. Look here, then you pose it.
Ayaw, hindi siya makapag-skip still. Gusto niya sarili niyang ano.
Don't.
Ay, nako, mawawala. Ayan na, naglulok na. Ayan na. Ayan na. He's so cute. So pretty. Nahilo ko. Nahilo. Again, nahilo ko. Again daw. Uy! Shh! Asan sila? Oo. It's a gloomy weather in Ginza. Earlier it was raining. It was raining earlier. Only drizzle. Kulit. Nasa sila? Saan? Sa kabila na? No, there. Oh, what will you tell everybody?
No, not there.
The other side.
No. You should look on here. Just look down. Look around. Madaming car.
I've got a lot of viewers now. Oy! Bilis! This is Fendi.
I remember.
What?
We have hanger, right?
Yeah.
We brought a hanger.
Yeah.
Remember?
Why? Why?
I didn't remember this.
Why? We don't need hanger, right?
Keep on running.
We don't need hanger, right?
Keep on running kasi.
We don't need, right? Okay, go down na. No running. No running. Alam, picture naka-ano eh.
Oh.
Wala eh.
Picture mo kami na Puching.
Ah, sorry. Memory full. My hair, I had tied up. Bakit na? Nakatakit na yan. Okay. Ito na ba't nakalap sa akin? Hindi. Oh.
Yun ba? Yun yung view.
Wala na oh. iPhone. Full storage. Full. It's full. Okay, let's go selfie.
Selfie?
No, I mean. Yay!
Smile?
Natural. Natural.
Cheers! 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 Cheers!
It's so pretty. Yes. Yum, yum. You like that? Wow, that's your favorite now? Okay, we'll buy a lot now. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. No more na.
Tagal!
Oh, thank you.
Tagal! The chin!
Yummy. Melt in your mouth.
Not in your head.
Where are they?
Ano tayo dun, no?
Oh, wow, 40. Joke. I've got 40.
Punta ako sa ano?
Saan? Uniqlo? We have Uniqlo in the Philippines. And then you're going to Uniqlo?
Always now with my...
Ah.
I'm so always now.
So go shopping. Go. Come on, finish. You walk. Let me have my bag. You walk. Are you finishing that chocolate? Why? You haven't eaten breakfast yet. I thought you're
Milk
eating
lang.
chocolate.
Milk lang.
Obo. Okay. Do the vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Okay.
Chocolate.
And then, that's the only thing you have to say? What else?
Where are you now? Hmm? Where are you now? Chocolate. How about water?
Okay, go down. Hi po.
Punta lang ako doon.
I'm Princess Isabel. Ang bango, no? Okay, again.
Again.
Hi po. I'm Princess Isabel.
Pakita mo siya.
Okay. And this is Princess Feliz. Say Feliz. Oh, you have L. Oh, F. Feliz. Okay. That's
good.
Feliz. Nagsa-sound ano siya? Letter sound. Oh, what letter is that? Ay, that's... What letter is that? That's Fendi. That's like Feliz. Oh, what letter? What's the sound? Ayun. Lumalabas pa yung ano. And this is...
Elephant.
Oh, elephant.
Elephant.
How about this?
W-Y.
No, that's not W.
No, it's no.
How about this? Dog. Like...
Dog, very good.
How about this?
An eagle. It's an eagle.
And what's the example? Iguana.
Yes. What else?
What else?
Igloo.
Iglo.
Igloo.
Okay. Ha? Bakit mukha kang turista? Saan ka galing? You look like Indiana Jones.
Can we do...
Is that Indiana Jones? No.
Can we do outfit, ano?
Paano? Ganon. You hold mommy. Yes. Okay, go. Yes, more chocolates. We'll buy more chocolates.
Ako yung nakatapag.
Okay.
Pwede na ako yung nakatapag sa ano mo.
You eat naman?
Come on, capital na boy.
Okay na. We'll buy more chocolate.
More chocolate.
You walk with mommy. Walk with mommy lang. Walk with mommy lang. No videos. Walk with mommy lang, ha? Okay, go down na. Okay. We'll buy more chocolates.
Bakit nahanap na ito ni Liz? Si Liz. Sino ba? Liz saan?
Mas mahirap po siya. Hi! We go to Disneyland.
Ayaw bumaba.
Gusto niya, voluntary. Ayaw niya ng kino-coach. Ayaw niya ng kino-coach. Gusto niya on her own. Walk all walks of life. Tita May daw magsa-shopping sa Uniqlo.
Meron sa GU. It's like Uniqlo, pero
Japan. Mas cheaper sa Uniqlo. Boy, let's go to pharmacy. We'll buy cortisone.
Go forward. Yung chan mo naka-expose. Nag-stop ka pa.
Talaga? Meron pala daw.
Excuse me.
I have abs.
Oh my gosh, mom.
I have abs. I have abs. Pagka pumayat ako, may abs ako. Pero for now, it's build. I have abs. Look. Look. I have abs. Can I sit down? That's taba. Bilbil. How about you, Tammy? Tammy. Lala is Bilbil. Lala is Bilbil. Mine is...
There, hold it. Come on. And then we walk this way. Oh, we're coming up. I carry you. Bakit?
Ayaw niya ng kino-coach eh. Ayaw niya. She wants it on her own. No? How about if you have a director? How is that? You don't want? Longchamp, Tasaki, Chiyu. Ito yung sinasabi ni Elise. Chiyu. Tamedyan ka daw, oh. Chiyu. Mas mura daw kaysa Uniqlo. See you. O, baba na. Sama mo na lang siya. You wanna come? Let me have my bag. O, baba mo na. Kunin ko lang bag ko. Please. And then you will say bye-bye na to our viewers. We have a lot. Okay, say bye. And then we'll come back later. Bye, guys. See you later. High five. Ay.
Yun ang ano niya yung pang-end eh.
Okay, high five. Ah, ganun daw. High five. You talk. And then talk. Talk muna.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay. Ito lang. Ako na. Okay, say bye. See you later. Ay, okay. Again. Ito, cancel. Okay. Okay na. Okay. At least we'll do it. Take 2. Again. Again.
Pahawak. Bye. Oh. I think it's under red. Yay!